We'll guide you through how to make a playlist on YouTube. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you want to make a playlist. For example, you may want to do this to put your favorite videos in one place. These could be videos from other people, or alternatively, you may want to go make a playlist for your own videos so you can go and categorize them and even go and add them to your YouTube channel homepage. So first of all, let's go and do this more so as a viewer on YouTube, wanting to just go and put your favorite videos into a playlist. So what you can do is go and find the first video you want to do this with. So once you've come onto the video, what you need to do is just come beneath it and you want to come over to the right and you can go and find the option for save. Then what you want to do is come down and you can go and press new playlist and you could then name it what you want. So I could go and name this guide and you can go and set the visibility. I'll keep it to private, turn on collaborate and others can go and use it as well. And we can go and press create and a playlist has now been created. And what you can then do is go and find more videos that you want to go and add. So I can come onto this video here. Then you can come and press save at the bottom and you can go and choose the playlist you want to go and add it to. And you go and get the idea. And then to go and access this playlist, you can press the 3 lines in the top left of YouTube, go down into the U section, find playlists, and here it is here. Then you can go and press view full playlist and you can go and view it here. And you've got some different actions you can make over to the left here. So that's how you can do it more so for yourself. Now, if you're looking to go and do this to go and sort out your own videos, you can press your profile icon in the top right and press YouTube Studio. Now what you can do is come over to the left and go and press content and you'll see your videos here. So you can make a new playlist by pressing create in the top right and press new playlist. I could go and name this. You can then go and add a description, choose visibility, the language and add videos. So I could then press add videos here and you can start choosing which ones you want to go and add. So I could add just a couple here as an example and press done. And then we can press create. Of course, you can still go and add more videos to the playlist later on as well. Let's go and say I then wanted to go and put this playlist on my channel. We can press studio in the top left, come over to the left and go and press customization and press home tab at the top. And in layout, make sure home tab switched on by the way. And then in layout, press add section to the right and you can come down and find the option for single playlist. And I can then go and choose it. And it will then go and appear below videos and we can go and press publish in the top right. It will go and look like this. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.